Hello, here are some of my chilli plants that I've been overwintering. Some of them have got some dead shoots on, or sort of dying, or not looking very healthy kind of shoots. So I'm going to cut them back to a bit smaller, taking off sort of things like this, which is very sort of brown. I'm going to take that right down to there because it doesn't look very lively. That's one of those yellow cayennes. I think that one's full of and I'll take that. Yeah, I'll take that down to there as well. Not sure whether it's going to grow back because I can't see any active buds, but who's to say yet? That one there. That's going to take that down to there. And that's still looking a bit dead there, so I'm going to take that a little bit further now. So it's still looking a bit of a hollow stem, so but I'm going to leave it at that for now on that one. It's quite short now. This one, it looks like it's been eaten quite severely, and it's the bark's falling away from the stem all the way down, so sadly this one is going to have to be declared to be dead. 20,060, rest in peace. Here we are. That one will be right as it is for the moment. I trimmed that a little while ago. This one here, which is sort of 20,093, which is the only one which survived of 3 which have been in this pot, and again it's kind of been eaten at the base by slugs or just having rotted, so again that one's going to be declared dead. And this one is another sort of one here which has got a bit of weeds in it. Hang on. But again, it's kind of somewhat sort of eaten at certain points, so I'm going to take it down to here, but it looks like it's sort of solid at the sort of junction of soil and plant, so I'm just going to get rid of a lot of this stuff. You can just about read the label. I'm not quite sure what it says at the moment, but again, this is one which had 3 seedlings in it at one point, but only one has survived. A lot of them were taken by slugs and snails because these have been outside during the summer and autumn this year, really, or last year. They only came in relatively recently. This one, I'm pretty sure it is some kind of Bicremio red. The label's difficult to read, but this is actually one starting with 19, so it's sown in 2019. So this is actually its second winter it's coming through right now. And I'm just going to trim this. This one's actually looking kind of as healthy as any of them. When I'm trimming it, it's mostly coming back to live shoots. Let me just take that one off completely.